Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create a course subject. Course subjects works like a filter or tag to organize your course content. Picture it as a container that holds related courses. For example, if I'm creating guitar courses, beginner to advanced, I'll group them all under the guitar subject. This way clients can easily browse available courses by filtering them by subject. Ready to get organized? In the navigation menu, click Tools, then select Course Subject. Next, click on Add Subject. A pop-up window will appear. It's time to enter the details. First, type the subject name, next add a subject description. To visually represent the course subject, you can upload an image if you like. If everything looks good, click Create Subject. Your new course subject will now appear in the course subjects list, ready to be used along with all the course subjects you made so far. Their key details are listed here too. If you need help finding a specific course subject, click the search bar and type in any keyword. You can also sort the columns by clicking on the column header to arrange them chronologically. If you need to make changes or delete an existing subject, just click the three-dot menu under the Actions column. Let's edit this one. It'll pull up the course subject detail. Make the necessary changes, then click Update Subject. The changes will be applied immediately. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and edit a course subject. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.